Well, right now, Amanda, we're talking about safety and security as well as fun and games. Parents do so much for us. We do so much. This weekend, of course, is Mother's Day, but ahead of the big day on Sunday, we're checking out some neat things that were actually created by parents for their kids. Brian Turtle is a lifestyle expert. He created several games. He's joining me right now. He's a dad, and you have actually brought one of your creations
here.
You invented this game called Name 5.
That's right. That's right. And my wife was a big part of that too. We were on the beach and coming up with different trivia ways to quiz each other and say, name 5 movies starring Tom Hanks, or name 5 songs by Pearl Jam.
It's kind of like trivia.
It's kind of trivia, but what's great is parents can play this with their kids, because for everyone that may be a kid question they might not know, there's name 5 Disney princesses or name 5 Muppets. So it's a really
green foods or something like that.
Or green foods, right? Yeah. And games are great for parents and kids to kind of get to know each other, because it's unplugged fun. So we love that at Endless Games. And there's other games there, Sleepover Party, Crazy Legs, all good stuff at endlessgames.com.
You brought some other great products that were invented by moms.
By moms,
for moms,
exactly.
basically.
Sure. The first one here is called Kidstir, and this is at kidstir.com. And this is like a mail order cooking service. So each month the kids would get a package like this, and it will have measuring cups or little cupcake wrappers and recipes for kids to cook at home with mom and dad.
Blue Apron has become a really popular one for adults, and the kids want to get in on it too.
This is great, and this is about $12 to $15 a month, and the kids love it. It comes with games, it comes with recipes, you get the cookbook if you get the yearly subscription, and I love the little child-sized cooking tools there. So that's great. That's kidstir.com.
And this is great because it's something you could choose to do for 1 month, 3 months, or like you said, an entire year subscription.
Exactly. And again, just a great unplugged activity for parents and kids.
Yeah.
Okay, so
get involved.
Exactly. Next up, this is called Key to Be Me. And what these are, these were invented by a mom, and these are little keychains or little luggage tag pulls, zipper pulls, things like that. And they have things on them that remind us every day that, you know, the keys to happiness are with us everywhere. And so it's an easy way to be reminded that you're beautiful, or my daughter loves to swim and it makes me think of her, or just one that just says mom. And they all come with these great inspirational quotes. So, and they're very price savvy. These are about $6 at keytobeme.com.
And it's something small, but like you said, it's just a great reminder, because how often you have to grab your keys, take a moment, and
not think of how you are appreciated. So that's a great way to remind yourself. And also a great gift. You know, it's a great way to personalize a gift, because there's 45 different varieties.
Great.
Really
cool. A lot
of
options.
Right. This is a really cool one. This is the Lug-a-Bug child carrier. So we've all been there. We're at the airport. The kids' legs are just not working anymore.
Yeah.
So this is basically a seat that attaches to your luggage.
I have seen some that are the seat, but this is great because you can put it onto whatever luggage, whatever suitcase that you already have, so you don't have to go buy the whole new thing. I have to imagine this is a lot cheaper than buying the whole new suitcase.
That's right. This is about $60, and these are at lugabug.com.
That is great.
Yeah, really a nice way, and it looks cool. If you check out the website, the video of the kids just rolling around on these things, it looks like a fun ride. I want to try it myself.
Absolutely, and super handy because it doesn't take up a lot of room.
It's amazing. It's totally collapsible.
You fold it up,
exactly.
Put it in your purse.
And even if you're not carrying your child, you can actually attach this the reverse way, and it creates extra pockets for quick to grab items on your suitcase.
All right.
All right.
Before we run out of time, we've got a really
cool Baby. This is like what I call the tailgating high chair. Because it's collapsible, it's portable, it goes anywhere, and it just reminds me of those soccer chairs that I take.
It looks like, you know,
what we take to my kids' games.
Chairs that are set up at my son's Little League games.
Exactly. So here you have the high chair version of that. So everything here created by moms, for parents, and their kids.
These are so cool. We're going to have more information on our app, fox61.com as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Cool stuff and neat game.
Thanks.